Here you're asked to find the transformations. So there are different types of transformations given and you need to identify the graph. So the first one you see here is, the graph in blue is the graph of y equals x squared. So everything you see in blue in all the four graphs is the graph of y equals x squared. The graph in red is the transformed graph. And here, this first equation given as g of x equals x squared plus 3. So this 3 is my vertical shift. So my whole graph has shifted up 3 units, which means the y coordinate changes. So I'm going to add 3 to the y coordinate. So that's telling me that it cannot be this, the first graph, it cannot be this one, because here it's going down, right? And here it's going down. So the fourth one must be the answer for this. Because I can clearly see that I have 1, 2, 3. So this is the third point where the graph is shifting up. So this is the answer to this question. And it's a vertical shift. Going to the next problem here. I'm seeing an x minus 3 the whole squared. So this 3 is my horizontal transformation. Again, it's a horizontal shift to the right 3 units. Okay, so it cannot be the second graph, it cannot be the third, it cannot be the fourth, so it has to be the first one. Because my whole graph is shifting to the right 3 units. I can see here, so it's 1, 2, 3. So that's my place where the whole graph is shifting to the right. Here the next one I have is again a vertical transformation where there is a minus. So there is a reflection with respect to the x-axis. You can see it here. So y equals x squared. If I put that, that's the graph, right? So if I put y equals negative x squared, then my graph is going to shift to the reflect along the x-axis. So I know the answer must be this. This must be the answer to this. We'll check it. Graph, and that's the answer to that question. One more here. In this one, you have 2 transformations. You see 2 transformations. One is reflection, vertical vertical shift, which is this vertical shift up 2 units. And this is my horizontal shift right 3 units. So by looking at this, I can say it cannot be the second one, it cannot be the third one, it cannot be the fourth one. So it has to be the first graph. It has to be this one. But we'll cross check it. So I'm going to put y equals x squared. Then I'm going to put let me put the transformation separate. So you can see x minus 3 the whole squared. So this is going to, the whole graph is going to move to the right 3 units. Okay. Now the next part is I'm going to add the 2 to this. So open parentheses x minus 3 the whole squared plus 2. So now the previous graph is going to shift up. So the red is going to shift up 2 units. And that's the final position of the graph.